Miss Lilith Dubey. Oh, I know. Let's have a look at the work, a glimpse of the work that she's done. Awesome.
Days. That's all. Are you mad? He's busy rehearsing with that Chandrakala. When he's not rehearsing with her, he's sleeping with. It's not gossip. I've seen it with my own eyes. In that hotel in Moscow, at 3 o'clock in the morning, I saw him sneaking down the corridor and into a room, watching to see whose room you had sneaked into.
Keep quiet, Sakina. तुम्हें सिर्फ अपना ख्याल है, हमारी इज्जत का नहीं. Do you know? जब तुम्हारे बाबा जान तुम्हें लेने जा रहे थे, लोगों ने हमसे क्या-क्या कहा. बदनामी का टोकरा है. हिंदू के साथ रहकर आई है. Just disown her right now. पता है हमें क्या-क्या झूठ बोलने पड़ रहे हैं इस बदनामी को छुपाने के लिए. तुम उस भूल जाओ उस तारा सिंह को.
We are so proud to present the Lifetime Achievement Award to Miss Lilith Dubey. Please put your hands together to welcome her on stage. And we also request Mr. Chong Ming Fung, Mr. Paramjeet Singh, Ranjit Ji, Mr. Patankar, and of course Mr. Lamoria to join us. Oh, absolutely.
Good evening. Oh my God, it's close. I just wanted to thank DBM and the Thakkar Foundation, not just for the award, but for the fact that they recognize the importance of art in general, the performing arts, the visual arts, all kinds of art. When I saw those wonderful images, I must congratulate all the young upcoming artists whose work I saw. I'd love to buy something actually from you all. I was very struck. I was very struck firstly with the selection. It was very wide-ranging and it was very secular, which I loved. And which I loved the most was that it gave, you know, every artist looks at the world through his lens. I'm talking about performing arts, I'm talking about theater, I'm talking about film, I'm talking about everything. So you could see the world that they inhabit when you see those paintings. What is their worldview? which world do they live in, what do they see around them. And that is so revealing, telling, and moving to me. I was very moved by those paintings. And it also underlines something that I believe, which I have to share with you. Why? I come from a very professional family, so I was a black sheep when I decided to do arts. My mother was a doctor, a very well-known gynecologist. I mean, she worked with a very well-known gynecologist called Dr. Shirodkar, who you must have heard of. And my father was a physicist by passion and an engineer by profession. So ये सब मतलब नाटकबाजी उनको बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आई. I had to do 2 MAs to just prove that I was educated. And then they said, you're getting married, go do what the hell you want now. Your husband will take care of all this. But they were not happy. They were not happy. It's not that they didn't appreciate art. They just thought that you don't dedicate a life to just reading literature. I did 2 masters, one in literature and one in mass comm. And you don't dedicate a life. You should be doing something much more important, something much more powerful, something much more relevant. And it took me many years to understand कि हम जो करते हैं उसका बहुत महत्व है, उसका बहुत meaning है. Because like Shakespeare said, art is what holds a mirror up to nature. We see the world around through art. We understand it. We interpret it. It's very important. But it took me till I was 40 to understand that. And then I said, no, what I do is important. And the second most important thing which I saw through those paintings, which every artist here will tell you, is that art is what combines us, what illuminates our shared humanity, that we are all the same under the skin. Movies that we see, literature that we read, music that we listen to, all this emphasizes how similar we all are instead of how different we all are. And of course, as an actor, I think the most brilliant thing about being a performer is you get to stand in someone else's shoes. And so the kind of empathy you have with people is because it grows out of that standing constantly in other people's shoes and trying to see the world through their eyes. So thank you so much for tonight, for appreciating the importance of art in its every avatar, every form. I'm surrounded by some wonderful artists here who I admire very much. And all I can say, they will say the same thing to you, that I appreciate very much when people appreciate the arts. So thank you very much.